welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over the Eufy Security multi-purpose security camera with the 2K resolution, built-in spotlight, and the smartphone capabilities to view your camera from anywhere with internet. So inside the box you're going to have the camera with its protective covering, and then the box below is going to have everything else, which is going to include your sticky adhesive if you don't want to drill holes, and then your 20-foot power cord into the USB power brick, the magnet and the plate to screw it to the wall, the screws and drywall anchors, 32 gig micro SD card, and the famous instructions. Once you go ahead and take off the cover, this is what the camera looks like, and the micro USB plug-in on the back. I went ahead and set up my camera on the floor in my bedroom. So I got everything set up, and then I went ahead and grabbed everything to do this outside. So I went ahead and grabbed a drill and just drilled a litlittle hole through the bird block where I plan on running the cord. And I had my roommate go ahead and help me out with this next part. I went ahead and drilled a hole down through the ceiling once I crawled myself up into the attic, and then he went ahead and handed me the cord. And then he fed me that cord, and then I went ahead and crawled over to my hole through the bird block and poked that out, which you'll see here in a second. Went ahead and plugged in the USB power cord and shoved the rest up through the ceiling, and then plugged in the USB cord to the USB power brick. And then from there I took the other end, which is the micro USB, and plugged that into the camera, which you'll see here in a second. But I went ahead and fed the extra back through the hole, and then I drilled the metal plate, the metal mounting plate, into the house where I wanted to mount my camera. And I just did that a little bit loosely, just to get it set. And then I grabbed the camera, which is going to be strapped under that little ridge on the metal plate. So I went ahead and plugged the camera in, which was a little bit tough, but I got it. And then you go ahead and screw that camera whip into the ridge under the plate. So once you get that tight, you're good to go. And then you just grab the magnet, put it on the metal plate, and then the magnet holds the camera itself. So it's a really simple process. It didn't take that long once you get everything figured out that you want to. Drill your holes, it's just plug and play. It's really, really easy. And then from there, this is what my final product looks like. So I got my camera mounted, going through the bird block, which goes straight across the attic, and then just drilled a hole and plugged it in straight into the power brick. Really, really simple. Then from there, I went on over to my smartphone and just clicked the play button, and everything was already set up, and there is the live feed. Hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Help out the channel. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.